Hello and good evening. My name is Abdul Hamid Ali Damala. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use the sticker maker. So first of all, launch your sticker maker, and before you use this, you would have your picture available, and you have an idea of what you want to use as your sticker. So, for instance, I'm going to use some available pictures on my phone to create a new sticker. So, when you go to the menu here, it's quite easy to identify. You have your sticker packs, and you have when you click on show more here, you'll be able to see the stickers some people created before you did. So this is an online resource showing you what people have done, and you can also have your own idea to create your own sticker from this. So now to create a new sticker, simply click on create a new sticker, and that will open up your gallery. In my gallery, I would go to I'll go to select any of the pictures I have here, and you can do a crop. So when you click on crop, you can drag over it and click on the crop mark when you're done. Now click on text to add a text, and so I can say be a taproot, and I'll say not a fibrous root. So I'm trying to be just playful here. This is not a serious content. However, whatever you want to put here, you can put it. Click on the text to see more font options to work with. So I'm going to change my font options now, and as you can see, this came out looking good. So if you hit the decorate button, you can have different decorations coming up the screen in case you want to add decorations, bubbles and the likes. However, let's see. So that's the bubble. So if you want to put your text inside a bubble, you can use this. Let's see what I can do. Now you can use drag both ends over whatever is selected to reduce the size. So I'm done with this. The next thing to do is to click on save. Okay, I want to move the bubble out a little bit. The issue here is when you're picking up a content, whatever you pick last will be the one at the top. So you need to be very careful not to uh, put the shape on top of the text. When you're done with that, you can select a border shape and click on done. The next thing to do is to click on save and add to a new sticker pack or an old one that you have created earlier. Now as you can see, this has been added, and I'll just call this the digital skill set stickers. Now when you're done, you click on save. You would have created, so it's saying would you like to add DSG stickers to WhatsApp? Then I'll click on yes. So when I click on yes, I can click on add to WhatsApp as well, and it will say that it has already been added to WhatsApp. So here is what that sticker will look like. If you click on the back arrow button, you'll be able to see my stickers, and you'll be able to see all the stickers that has been created. So you can go to the option at the top here to share this sticker pack you created, or simply um, just simply use the sticker in a group, and any other person can download and use your sticker. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next training. Bye bye.